Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Workflow Builder on your Slack account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what I want you to do is simply make sure that you're logged in into your Slack account and then head straight into your workspaces. Once you've done that, on the left, simply scroll all the way down until you find Add Apps. Click on that and now click on Workflows up here. Once you've done that, there are going to be a couple of templates that you can go ahead and use right over here. So for example, let's say weekly check-in. I can simply go ahead and do that right over here and set it up if you want to. Or you could just create something by your own by clicking on Create Workflows right over here. So once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and help you create one right over here by clicking on New Workflow. You could also go ahead and search for one. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.